Okay, look at this sweet red hot rod that I came up on today. It's a classic. It's a 34 Ford. And it's just beautiful, like these cars always are. It's got a nice dash. Oh, it's a stick shift. It's a 2-door. It's got a 350 Chevy motor, which is looking pretty nice. This guy's taking really nice care of his car. Oh, look at the skull. I love it. So nice. I just love it. I love the cherry red. As always, another sweet car here in Watsonville, California. A lot of classics. Oh, look at the tires and the rims. Nice. So sweet. Oh, I just love this car. I'd love to take it for a drive. He said it's a gas hog, which Hot Rod isn't. But it's just beautiful. I have no idea how you get the doors open. I suppose there's a trick. There's a trick to everything. Very nice. Such a pretty red car for December. Nice. Well, so how do you get the doors open? Well, he's popped the door open for us. Just thought we'd get the really good front view of the car. And that's our video for today. Hope you enjoyed it.